So now let's talk about what happens when it comes time to replace an item. We overhaul our storyboards twice a year, Q1 and Q3. Using our velocity and distribution analysis, we drop out poor performers, bring in some new items for a fresh look and feel, and keep workhorse items like that samurai sword. When you're ready to implement an updated storyboard, just go to our website, load up the storyboard, print out the planogram, load the cart, compare what you have in stock, add what's necessary, and check out as usual. As items arrive, implement them into your space. While we do our best to plan, sometimes we're not able to carry an item as long as anticipated. It could be a quality issue, the vendor could unexpectedly drop the item, or it could be faulty forecasting. Sometimes things will drop out for a short period of time, or sometimes they'll be gone permanently. You'll want to take some steps to ensure that your wall doesn't suffer when an item goes out. This lowers perceived value and your guests' overall experience. Here are a couple of ways to combat these issues. Check out the storyboards on our website. We'll update the listings with substitutions or replacements. You can update your current storyboard, or you could even try out a new one. You can also shop the corresponding theme on the site and choose your own replacement. To do this, click the theme on the left-hand side of your screen to look at action gear. Once these are loaded, click Show All, choose an item within the theme, and stick to a similar ticket value and display method. For instance, if the ping pong popper was out of stock, you could choose the foam dart launcher instead. Or you could bring in some flash prizes as an update for a new season, such as a water blaster for summer, or the latest Nerf offering, like a Star Wars or Fortnite branded item. If you have any questions or need assistance with storyboards, please reach out to your account manager or find us on redemptionplus.com.